If you're struggling with dry hair, then this recipe is for you. You know I've got the best recipes for you as always on Ivy's Naturals. Say hello to this all-natural hair butter that is packed with carrot oil, glycerine, shea butter and essential oils. It's going to help boost your scalp health, and also this is your hair's best friend. Do not go anywhere. So for this recipe, we'll be needing carrot oil. I've added a link to the carrot oil in the description. Be sure to check it out. Carrot oil contains vitamin A and E that helps to strengthen our hair and promote hair growth. Also, we'll be needing shea butter. It helps to condition and seal in moisture in our hair. It also helps to soften hair. Another thing we'll be needing is glycerine oil. It is also a humectant that helps to draw in moisture into our hair. And lastly, essential oils to stimulate the scalp and also soothe irritation. Let's go into the preparation of this hair growth butter. Using the double boiler method, go ahead to melt your butters. You can use any other method available to you. The idea is to get the butter melted. Yes, this hair butter will deeply nourish your hair. It will hydrate, strengthen your hair and also promote growth, leaving your hair soft, healthy and shiny. So after melting, I added the nourishing carrot oil, 2 tablespoons of the glycerine oil and few drops of essential oils for that perfect fragrance. After mixing it all together, I placed the mixture in the freezer. Yes, freezer, because I wanted it to solidify fast. Please note that this shouldn't be rock solid. A soft formed mixture is perfectly fine because you're still going to whisk the mixture you have. When you're done mixing all of these ingredients together, mix properly to combine before you put in the fridge or your freezer. If you've watched this video till this very moment, please do well to subscribe, because on this channel I will be bringing to you natural hair care tips, DIY recipes that will help you to grow a healthy natural hair. Share, like and also comment. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The exact consistency I am looking for. Let's get right into whisking our butter. This whisking process was so therapeutic for me, I just didn't want to stop. The goal is to have a light and fluffy hair butter, so keep that in mind. Butter. Can you see that? Just look at that. Just look at. I told you on this channel I give you the very best recipes that will help you grow a healthy natural hair. What are you waiting for? Kindly do well to subscribe now. We aren't done yet. I will be showing you how well you're to use this hair butter on your hair. Remember, it helps to lock in moisture, thereby preventing your hair from getting dry. This is me refreshing my daughter's 4 weeks old mini twist. Yes, 4 weeks. And also I do not forget to always carry out the lock method. The lock meaning liquid, oil and cream. Lock method of moisture retention on our hair. You first go in with your liquid, which is either water or herbs infused water, then the oil on the scalp, and finally the hair butter to lock in moisture. At least 2 to 3 times in a week, you should endeavor to always moisturize your hair, as this will leave your hair feeling soft and well hydrated. You do not want your hair breaking, and so you prevent it from being dry by going through these processes I have shown you in this video. Do not also forget the importance of massaging your scalp with or without a hair product, because this will help blood circulation on your scalp. And here is Ivy blowing a big kiss to all our subscribers.